Hello students, standard 8. As you know, we are almost at the end of this chapter number 9, algebraic identities, algebraic expressions and identities. Now, as I already told you so many times about this chapter, that it is a very basic and important chapter, especially the last identities, which are very useful for your higher standards. Now we are doing the exercise 9.5. We finished question number 1 to 5. So today, question number 6. Here, using identities, evaluate. So here we have to use the identity, any of the identity, and then find the value of the given. First one is 71 square. Now here you don't have to do 71 multiplied by 71. If you do 71 multiplied by 71 and get the right answer, you will get 0 marks. Because you didn't read the instruction. Using identities evaluate, not only evaluate. So you have to do using an identity only. Then and then you will get the marks, otherwise 0 marks will be given to you. So here you don't have to do 71 multiplied by 71. Yeah, you can confirm it. Your answer you can confirm by doing that 71 into 71 in the rough page, but not in the answer book. So here 71, which is the nearest multiple of 10 to the 71, it is 70. So 71 you can write down as 70 plus 1 whole square. So now it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So we can use the first identity. So that is 70 whole square, 2 into 70 into 1 plus 1 square. So now 7 square is 49, so 4900 plus 72 is 140, 1 is 140 and plus 1 square is 1. So that is equal to, so now 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 4 is 4, 9 plus 1 is 10, carry 1, so answer is 5041. You can confirm it by doing 71 multiplied by 71 on rough, but here I need this particular method. Second one, 99 square. Now you can understand easily that 99 is more nearer to 100. If you subtract 1 from 100, you get 99. So in place of 99, you can write down 100 minus 1. You can use 90 plus 9 also. If you want 90 plus 9, it is also not wrong. But I got that one easier, so I took that one. So now second identity, 100 square, 2 into 100 into 1 plus 1 square. 100 square is 10,000 minus 200 plus 1. So now 10,000 minus 200 is 9,800 plus 1, and that is 9,801. So here we are using the particular identities to evaluate this. Third one, 102 raised to 2. 102 square. So here as you do 100 minus 1, here you can see that it is 100 plus 2. So that is 100 plus 2 whole square. So same way using identity 1, 100 square, 2 into 100 into 2 plus 2 square. So 10,000 plus 2 to the 4 multiplied by 100 is 400 plus 4. So it is 10,404. Fourth one. In fourth one it is 998 whole square. So 998, which is the nearest one? That is 1000. 1000 minus 2 is 998. So 1000 minus 2 whole square. So here 1000 square, 2 into 1000 into 2 plus 2 square. So 10 lakh minus 2 to the 4000 plus 2 square is 4. So now, if you can't do directly, you can do like that also in the rough. 10 lakh minus 4000. So 9,96,000 plus 4. So 9,96,000 and 4. Next one, fifth one. .2 whole square. So now here it can be separated as 5 plus 0.2 whole square, the whole part and the decimal part. We can separate to make the square, and then you can use the same first identity. If it is plus first, otherwise second. So now 5 square, 2 into 5 into 0.2 plus 0.2 whole square. 5 square is 25 plus 5 to the 10, 10 multiplied by 0.2. You know that 0.2 can be written as 2 upon 10, 10 will be cancelled, so it will be 2 here. And plus 2 square is 4, but 0.2, so it will be 0.04. 25 plus 2 is 27, so 27.04. That will be your answer. Sixth one. In sixth one you can see that it is little different. 297 multiplied by 303. Now you can see that 297 and 303, in both the middle of the both you will have 300. So in place of 297 you can write down 300 minus 3, and here it is 300 and plus 3. 297 is 300 minus 3. 303 is 300 and plus 3. So now, what will we do? You can see that there is the third identity used. A minus B, A plus B is A square minus B square. So here in place of A there is 300. In place of B it is 3. So you can do 300 square minus 3 square. What is the square of 300? 3 square is 9. So 90,000 minus 9. So now 90,000 minus 9 means 89,991. That will be your answer. Seventh one. What is there in seventh one? 78 multiplied by 82. So here 78 is 80 minus 2 and that is 80 plus 2. So same thing, 80 square minus 2 square, that is 6,400 minus 4. So that is 6,396. Then the eighth one. Number 8 is 8.9 square. So here you can use 8 plus 0.9, that is 8 square. 2 into 8 into 0.9 plus 0.9 square. So 8 square is 64 plus 8 to the 16 into 9 upon 10. 16 9s are 144. So it will be 14.4 plus 0.81. Now we have to add them. So 1 so it is 79.21. And last 9 days 1.05 multiplied by 9.5. 1.05 multiplied by 9.5. So here it is 105 upon 100 multiplied by 95 upon 100. So now what will we do? That 105 is 100 plus 5. And that is 100 minus 5 upon 100 into 100 is 1000, 10,000. And then we can use that identity. So that is equal to 100 square minus 5 square upon 10,000. So 10,000 minus 25 upon 10,000. So 10,000 minus 25 is 9,975 upon 10,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 0.9975. So by using the identities, we have to find out the answers. Now 7th question. Using a square minus b square equals a plus b second bracket a minus b, we have to find 51 square minus 49 square. So it is a square minus b square. So 51 plus 49. Second bracket 51 minus 49. So it is 100. Multiply by 2. 51 minus 49 is 2. So that is 200. Very, very simple. Here you don't have to do 51 square. Here you don't have to do the square of 49. Otherwise it take long time. But if you use that identity, within few seconds you can get the answer. So 51 plus 49, 51 minus 49, and simplify. Second one is 1.02 whole square minus 0.98 whole square. So here also 1.02 plus 0.98, 1.02 minus 0.98. So here 8 plus 2 10, 9 plus 1 10, 1 plus 1 2. So 2.00, or simply you can write down 2 also, not a problem. Multiply by, now 1.02 minus 0.98. 12 minus 8 is 4. Here 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. So multiply by 0.04. Now multiply. 4 to the 8. And 1 and 2 decimals. So 1 and 2 decimals. So it is 0.08. Third one. 153 whole square minus 147 square. So 153 plus 147, 153 minus 147, that is 300. Multiply by, multiply by 6. So now 6 3 is 18. So 1800. But here if you do square of both and then you subtract, it will take a big time, long time. Last one in is 12.1 whole square minus 7.9 square. So 12.1 plus 7.9, 12.1 minus. So now here if you plus 9 plus 1 is 10, carry 1 7. So it is 20.0, so 20. Multiply by 11 minus 9 is 2. 11 minus 7 is 4. So now 42 multiply by 22. 42 2s are 84. So 840 and one decimal is 84.0. So you can only write down 84. Last question, question number 8. Using x plus a, x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Fine. So we have to use this fourth identity. First one is 103 multiplied by 104. So here it is 100 plus 3, 100 plus 4. So in place of x there is 100. A is 3, b is 4. So it is 100 square. 3 plus 4 into x means 100 plus 3 into 4. So that is 10,000. 100 square is plus 4 plus 3, 7 into 100 plus 12. So that is 10,000 plus 700 plus 12. So 10,712. And let's do the fourth one. Second and third, you can do it yourself. Fourth one is 9.7 into 9.8. Here you can use minus also. 10 minus 0.3. 10 minus 0.2. If you want to use 9 plus 0.7 and 9 plus 0.8 also. But when you use 10, it is easier. So 10 square plus minus 0.3 minus 0.2 into 10 and plus minus 0.3 into minus 0.2. So 10 square is 100. Now minus 0.3 minus 0.2 is minus 0.5 into 10. Minus minus plus 3 2s are 6 and 2 decimals. So 0.06. So that is 100 minus 0.5 into 10 will be 5. So 100 minus 5 plus 0.06. So that is 100 minus 5 is 95. So 95.06. So everything in this chapter I have given you. And again I am telling you, please remember the identity and how to use them in different ways. We are going to finish the session and the chapter also, and will be followed by PDF and some more examples for your practice. Any confusion, there is comment section. Thank you very much.